Hey everyone, this is Katie. I'm going to talk to you about lip oil and do a quick demo. The demo I'm going to do is Monat lip oil lip gloss. It's pretty in pink. It is pink. That's what it looks like. Like I said, it's a lip gloss oil. It hydrates your lips, moisturizes. So basically a lip oil moisturizes and nourishes lips with a glossy finish. It's made with natural oils, vitamins, and antioxidants. It has consistency that's between a lip balm and a lip gloss. Some benefits are it restores moisture to lips, it prevents dryness and chapping, and it enhances lips' natural color. Some ingredients that are in most lip oils are plant-based oils like jojoba, avocado, apricot, and pomegranate oils. And all lip oils are lightweight, non-greasy, and it glides on smoothly. So I just thought I'd share that with you.